Hello everybody and welcome back to Gaming with Gaitsu. We are back on Final Fantasy IX and we are again joined by SD.
Hello, I'm back again.
Now, in the last episode, we got a basic taste of what this game was without getting into too much. Now we're going to do one of the mini games. I am somewhat cheating on this, but leave me alone. You want to try? Now what this is it's a button mash game. Kind of. It's a quick time event, if you really want to call it that. What? It didn't work! No!
You did it!
It didn't work!
You jumped one time.
Yes! Let's try it again. Okay, so it won't work that way.
Okay.
Alright.
You also need to take into consideration the lag as well.
Yeah. So.
You're only able to get one. Little girls do a better job at jumping rope than you do.
Apparently.
Even though you're about their height. Bouncing mages.
Yeah. But I got what I wanted.
Perfect.
I might actually have you real quick go take a look at what you can get from this.
Me?
Yeah,
Okay.
you.
Alright, I'll go.
I just want you to real quick go look at what the rewards are for the jump rope minigame in Final Fantasy IX.
Alright, just one moment here while everything loads. Jumping. Rope is translated to skipping, yada yada. Rewards: 20 jumps, 10 gil. 50 jumps, the card.
Yep.
100 jumps, you get a Genji card.
I don't have that.
200 jumps, you get an Alexandria card.
Okay, I want that.
300 jumps, you get a Tiger Racket card.
Okay, I want that.
And 1,000 jumps, you get a King of Jump Rope, which is a key item.
At 1,000?
Yep.
I ain't going that far.
I wonder what it does.
Oh, if it's just a key item, it doesn't do anything.
Trivia. If the player attempted the skipping minigame with Phoebe at the beginning and skipped at least 50 times and the player meets the Moogle Mosh. Okay. Since you reach 60, you're going to see something special once we get to the castle.
Yeah, I already know that. It's one of the special things that you can do, which I don't know if I'll completely finish or not.
Alright.
It's a mail service for the Moogles.
Yes. It seems you are at least a little bit informed.
A little bit?
Of course.
A little bit. Good morning.
Just a little.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The little boy went ahead and woke up.
Aww.
No, don't aw. It's a good thing.
Oh yeah, it is good that he wakes up.
Yeah. She's still in there, isn't she? She didn't run out.
What, the little girl? I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, she didn't run out.
Alright, what's going on with her?
When she leaves, I can go up and steal more stuff.
Well, it's good to know that you learned from Ray. Which your fans will understand if you eventually play that game.
Yeah, I do plan on playing that eventually. There she left.
Yes. And now to steal from a little girl.
Pretty much, yeah.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
In more ways than one. It's like taking an ether from a baby.
Yes.
Oh no, that's 3 gil. Never mind. I thought she had an ether.
It's probably something important up here.
No. I thought there was an ether.
Still, I will say that this is a very good improvement overall. Like, having the townspeople actually do things.
Yeah. Instead of just standing around.
Yeah, instead of just standing around all the time, like in a lot of the other games.
Yep. Oh, I think I know where the cat is.
Yay, let's go find the kitty.
I think the cat is back at the beginning.
Perfect. To save the cat.
Yes. But yeah, as I was saying in the last recording, there's Excalibur 2. Excalibur 2. And it's got a special way that you can get it. We won't be getting it.
Aww.
I
Alright.
don't have the time or patience to attempt it.
That hard, huh?
You have to make it to the end of the game in 12 hours.
Okay, that doesn't sound too bad.
Or it might have been less than that. I can't remember. It's been a while.
Well, I guess 12 hours is still a decent amount of time. Undertale took you like 16.
There's Kitty Kitty.
That's a big cat.
Oh, you found him. Come here. Good Kitty Kitty. Thank you.
The cat's as big as he is.
Hey, nobody said it was... You know what? Hold on. Wait just a minute. Everyone, take a look at the fact that there is a fish in the background. There's a bird standing here. There's some weird ocelot-looking thing here. And he's complaining because the cat's as big as the boy. You serious?
Yes.
Are...
Well, I guess you are kind of like a little thing with eyes.
Yeah. You're a little thing with eyes, he says, as everything on screen has eyes. Hey, look! Little things with eyes! Oh my god! It's amazing!
I never said I was smart.
Because they didn't get to see.
Oh yeah, the
Yeah, go ahead.
Alleyway Jack.
Yeah, we went ahead and stopped and talked to Alleyway Jack.
And he did not steal our money.
He didn't steal our money. One of the things that happens if you're not quick enough is he'll steal your money and run away.
Can you find him if he does that, or?
No, he just keeps going back into that alley. Which means he can steal more of your money.
Huh? At least the rat boy never tried to steal from you.
Yeah, no, he just wants us to be his slave.
Someone has a kink.
Yeah. Which is sad because we're talking about children here.
That's a fair point.
That's a fair point.
And this is kind of a family show.
Kind of. Yeah, I'm not interested enough in the jump rope to get the extra cards. I'm just going to go ahead and move on with the story.
Yep, well, you can always go back to the jump rope. Apparently it appears several times.
It does. I think it pops up. First jump rope place is me at 61.
You did it.
Yay!
You're probably also the third place as well.
Yeah, I am. They're all yours. I forgot to go talk to the kid.
Right. Wait, which kid? There's a few.
The kid with the cat.
Oh.
Thanks. Here, this is for you. Bomb card. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bomb.
Alright, now I heard my phone go off, so give me just a second, guys.
Alright, we'll be here waiting.
It wasn't all that important.
Perfect.
It was just my phone telling me things on Twitter.
Ah.
Alright, so here we go. Now, have we seen everything that we wanted to see here in the main part?
I think, do you think we might be missing something?
I'll tell you all about Magnet. Magnet is a mail delivery system between Moogles. We can send and receive letters to and from Moogles in other locations, Koopa. But delivery has been very sporadic lately. So I want you to help us deliver mail, Koopa. Sure! I have a favor to ask, Koopa. Want you to deliver a letter to Monty. Thanks, Koopa.
Yay, Koopa!
Alright, let's go to our slave overlord.
Perfect.
Because as of right now, we can no longer go back.
Yes. With the whole slave overlord, he's very good at climbing ladders.
Yes, he is. Especially with a ladder in hand.
Yep, that's something that defies physics.
Yes.
Alright, the play's gonna start if we don't hurry. Come on, get over here. Let me guess, you're afraid of heights, aren't you? It's okay, just pretend you're on the ground.
Terrified Vivi.
Yes. Just remember, if it falls, you die.
Come on already, we're running out of time.
I just realized why Vivi would be scared of being on the roof.
Why's that?
He falls a lot.
Yeah, he does.
Not again. Don't worry, it won't fall.
Terrified Vivi is adorable.
I guess it fell. No point in worrying now, right?
Let's steal from eggs.
Perfect. Let's steal the pigeon.
Money!
Must be a crow's nest.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I don't even know your name.
What shall we name this apparently 9-year-old child? Let's see.
Yeah, what's... Oh, Gabriel... Wait.
That's what we'll do.
Ha! Yes! Race, black mage. I love the black mages are quite literally black.
Actually, not exactly. In the first Final Fantasy game, when the black mage... Did he? I think he did. I know the white mage takes down his hood and you can see his face. And I'm thinking that the black mage did something similar, like he tipped his hat farther back so the shadows weren't there anymore.
Okay.
But in this game, it's not exactly that he's black, it's that...
Like
You'll see.
Like I'm just imagining this blob of shadow with like little glowy yellow eyes.
Yeah, kind of.
So your name's Gabe, huh? Kind of funny name. My name's Puck. Pleased to meet ya.
Is he a party member? Please tell me he's a party member.
Who, the rat?
Yes.
I will neither confirm nor deny that.
Okay.
More money!
I also know that some of these wobble.
They all wobble.
Oh. Okay. Can they fall, or...?
No, just the one.
Okay.
More money!
Yay!
We're rich!
Yes, and we're stealing from the eggs. Exactly.
100 gold and thinks he's rich. Let's see how much money we have. You see, we don't even have 1,000 yet.
Okay. We can probably get a lot of stuff with the gold we have. I mean, Grandma's life savings was only 9 gold after all.
That's because she keeps buying material for Ilya's dresses.
Whoa, we finally made it.
This one will most definitely be a longer video, by the way, guys.
After this wall, we'll be inside the castle. Come on, let's go.
So Gabe isn't the only one trying to break into the castle.
Yeah.
I mean, Gaitsu.
Yeah, Gaitsu and Gabe are breaking into the castle.
Just for very different reasons.
Yeah. Oh, don't do this.
Skip.
I can't skip it.
Yeah,
it's
that's
important.
Yeah, let's watch it.
Hey, look! Oh, no, never mind.
Aw, it's a princess.
Yep, there's your princess.
He looks so smug about himself.
Yes, you'll understand why.
I did it! What?
Again, I'm sorry that the video series on these aren't doing very good. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight's performance is a story that takes place long, long ago. Our heroine, Princess Cornelia, is torn from her lover Marcus. She attempts to flee the castle, only to be captured by her father, King Leo. When our story begins, Marcus, having heard of this, crosses swords with the king. And now, your royal majesty, Queen Braun, Your Highness, Princess Garnet. Noble ladies and lords, and our rooftop viewers, Tantalus proudly presents I Want to Be Your Canary.
Such a famous thief group.
Yes! Now, I won't be able to read all of this fast. Damn it! Marcus, thou hast lost even thy love.
Fortune hath escaped thee. For what end shalt thou live?
For the sake of our friend, let us bury our steel in the heart of the wretched King Leo. These are great costumes. Totally doesn't look like them.
Yeah, totally.
We shall back thee, kinsman. Pray, sheath thy swords. This villain is mine alone.
Nay, kinsman, for I too have lost a brother to this fiend.
What ho? Out, vermin! Away! Thou darest bear thy sword before the king? All who stand in my way will be crushed. Treacherous Leo, my kinsman's suffering shall not be in vain, for I shall instruct thee in the... Even with it lagging, I couldn't get all the way through it.
You were so close.
No!
One word.
Oh look, another fight scene! Yay!
Yay! And this time he's not a dragon.
And I can't steal either.
But you can do sound effects.
No, special effects.
Ah, same thing.
No, it's not! Because special effects are amazing.
Exactly. It's like, you know, they're... Yeah. I lost my train of thought.
Yeah, I figured. Meteor! I'm Sephiroth! Right series, wrong game.
Yes. Wrong game. All that's left is the king.
Missing! I'm not used to that.
And then the king wins.
Smack you with my hammer. We win.
Yay!
Now we come to one of my favorite parts in the entire game.
Stealing the princess.
No, before that. Arr, grr. Thou hast not seen the last of me, Marcus. Come back! Out of the way, Blank! Consider this, Gaitsu. If Prince Schneider were to marry Princess Cornelia, peace would reign over both the kingdoms. 'Tis foolishness! If all were so easy, why none would suffer in this world?
Is this an interactive thing?
Yes. Not yet. It will be, though.
Just knock the main off the stage.
in the alleyway. On guard. Expect no quarter from me.
Well, this is a good port. You have to know the original commands, I think.
It is the original, so I've got to figure out what they are.
You're the best actor.
So I know what these are now. So when I go to do it again, I'll know what I'm doing.
Gotta do it again.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it again. What? Yeah, because I didn't know what it was. The buttons were not what I thought they were. Out of 100 nobles watching, 65 were impressed. Queen Braun was not impressed. We are doing it again!
Yes, let's do it.
Now, this will be the last time we do it again, because I'll do it better this time. Oops, wrong button.
So this looks fun if you can actually figure out the controls.
Yeah. It's always a different sequence, too, so you can't just memorize it. Whoops.
I'm guessing you get something if you impress the queen.
Kind of. It's just you get a better reward for how many nobles you've impressed and how many if you do impress her.
Alright.
This time I should have, yeah, I was a lot closer.
Perfect.
And I got an achievement!
Yay, achievement!
It's called a round of applause. Ran was not impressed.
Aww. I'm guessing you have to get 100 out of 100.
Alright, we'll do it one last time.
And this time you actually get 100.
Try.
Alright, let's see what we got.
96 were impressed. Forget you! We are not performing it again. But that's quite a bit of money.
It is. You now have over 1,000 gold.
Oh, yeah.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Oof.
Finished changing, Gaitsu? Yeah, but this helmet... it's kinda smelly. What are you talking about? My helmet totally reeks. My armor's way too big. And my back's really itchy. The boots are wet. My gloves are all slimy. There's cookie crumbs in my pockets. Okay, I get the picture. You still have the package, right? Don't worry, I won't screw up.
Sure you won't.
Alright, let's... First, I'll go pour some sleeping potion into Princess Garnet's teacup. And I'll have a special something for the lovely queen. They're sleeping so soundly.
Are you sure they're not dead?
They're not dead. They're still bug. According to the recon, the royal seat should be above these stairs. Got it. Uh-oh. Scene where Marcus sneaks into Cornelia's chamber is about to start. Let's get this over with before the finale, okay?
Let's get this over with. Goes back to loot.
Oh no. So yeah, we're definitely gonna be a little bit longer.
Oh? What happened?
The save is supposed to be in here. Apparently it only shows up when the next character in the party shows up. So this is gonna be a little bit, guys. I'm sorry.
I got no trouble with it. But Gabriel sounds like he's getting restless.
She sure is dressed funny. Would you please let me pass?
Let's examine her.
Let's see. Is there something on my face? Oh no, you see, I just thought maybe you were the one I'd been waiting for all this time. Excuse me? You were waiting for me? Yeah, I've dreamt of meeting you here ever since I was born. Do you mock me? No, of course not. Then I shall take my leave of you. Just a sec. Haven't we met before? No, I do not know you. Maybe you're right. I'd never let someone as pretty as you get away. Say, you wouldn't... Hey, what's going on, Gaitsu? I must go.
My people need me.
Who the heck was that? Get up, Blank. That was Princess Garnet. Are you serious?
So the princess is running away.
Yes. We are in trouble. Trouble we are in. This is terrible. Our heads Queen Bran will have. We must hurry. Hurry, we must. are in trouble. Trouble we are in. The right way, that is not. I know it is not the right way. Really, do you? I really do. Wonder I sometimes do. Now is not the time to wonder. Hurry to Queen Braun, we must. That is not the right way. Not the right way, I know. Do you really? No, I really do. I really wonder sometimes. The time to wonder now is not. Hurry to see Her Majesty, we must.
Well, it's good to know that they rhyme.
You know what they say about clowns. Your Majesty, see the Queen we must.
They want to see the world burn?
Her Majesty is busy. Come back later. Is it an emergency? An emergency it is. A veritable emergency of terrible urgency. Very well, I'll see what I can do. Very grateful will be. Curse that Beatrix. Always trying to one-up me. So what exactly is the problem? Her Royal Highness, Princess Garnet, is in danger. I see. Wait right here.
Isn't she pretty?
No interruptions. Can't you see I'm watching the show?
Your Majesty, I'm afraid Princess Garnet has...
Ah, yes. She did leave her seat a while ago.
Your Majesty, it seems that Princess Garnet has run off with the royal pendant.
Well, of all the... What could she be thinking?
General Beatrix, Your Majesty.
And Captain... Hold on, buddy. Watch out. Ha-ha! Captain SD.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go find Garnet.
Yes, my queen.
At once, Your Majesty.
And here's the thing. Beatrix doesn't ever get up and move.
Aww.
She just stands there.
At least she's good at it.
Knights of Pluto! Assemble!
Well, at least I'm competent.
Huh? Where is everybody? Captain, sir. All present and accounted for, sir. What are you talking about? There's only 2 of you. Where are the other 6? Why, you useless good-for-nothings? I bring orders from the Queen. Get dressed and go find Princess Garnet.
And now we can go save.
Here's that mail you were talking about.
Yes.
From Kupo to Mosh. There was a kid who jump roped 61 times in a row today. It was amazing, Kupo. How did he do that? Can Mosh jump 61 times? My best record is 20. That's really amazing, Kupo. I heard something great happens if you jump rope lots of times. Oh, you don't have anything to give?
Perfect. Save in the big book of saves.
Alright, guys, that's it for this episode.
And we'll see y'all next time.
Sorry it took so long. Bye, guys.